Leave it there, Mia. Sit down. Hey, Mia.
Please.
You being a ham for yourself?
Test each liquid with just one other.
Hey, stay here.
Mia, no.
The acid-base indicator is normally clear, but it turns pink when it reacts with the base. Add 1 drop of liquid B to the well above the label B. So,
All right, did you catch what it said?
yes. B.
You're going to see how it reacts and it'll change color.
It did not react. Oh yeah, it did.
Where'd it go?
See that in there? It's like a white-ish.
Hold on.
Where's that?
Wait.
All right, what's it say? You will first test each liquid with just one other liquid in order to find the pair that visibly reacts. The acid-base indicator is normally clear, but turns pink when it reacts with base. Okay. So we're going to add 1 drop of C to the 2 wells in the column above C.
Above C, so these two.
Yeah, 1 drop.
One. No.
Next to it, I think. Or, no, is it?
Oh yeah,
Is this one?
above C.
Okay.
Okay.
Did either of those react?
No.
Okay, well now you're going to add
Wait.
1 drop of D to all of them.
All 3 of the wells. 1, 2. It reacted. 3.
Look at that. So which one is that then? The pink one means that it's...
B. Yes, it is.
So what does it say?
It says,
But turns pink when it reacts with base.
yeah.
So that must mean that liquid D is... What?
Reacted with.
Liquid D is the base, I think, isn't it?
Yeah. And then. Except there's
Alright,
still
flip
more.
to the next one.
One well on your plate
You open it. Can you open it?
Just hold on.
should have turned pink. The 2 mystery liquids in that well
Would you
must be base and indicator, but you don't know which is. The other 2 liquids must be water and acid, but you don't know which is which.
Back in.
So that means...
Back in. Let's close it.
We're gonna test it again. Identify which letter liquid you added across the row containing the pink
No,
well.
you can't do those.
Place them. I got the one that's probably.
Keep pushing it, Emma.
Yeah, once you have.
What you doing? Vibrating your test tube?
And vibrate it.
Use test tubes.
All right, you ready, Michaela? Let's flip over your 60 seconds, and here we go.
Alright. You got B.
Here's our timer.
Okay. So.
You having fun?
Yes. My hand is vibrating. It feels like it's like pushing me off my
Take a
test
picture of
tube.
the vortex to indicate.
It feels like my hand's like in a.
You want to go upstairs? Want me to take you upstairs?
Maybe after this experiment we can go. All right, you want us to come up there?
Yeah.
You gotta make sure it's got
Here, Mia. Mia. Can you go get this to her?
All right, come back and sit down.
Thank you. With the wall, the line.
Thank you. You're welcome. Hold on. Just wait.
You're welcome.
Just wait.
Thank you, welcome.
All right, so now we got to flip that.
That's it.
So,
I want to do it.
you ready? Hold on, just wait. We gotta read it. It says hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen gases. 2H2O2 to 2H2O plus O2. When gas is formed in liquid, you can observe it as bubbles. Right? So use the syringe to measure 1.0 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide and squirt it into the baking soda.
You do the baking soda.
So go up to that line. Okay. And then squirt it into the baking soda and watch.
Dun, dun.
Okay, squirt it into the yeast, and then you need to observe and compare what happens for at least 30 seconds.
Is that 30 seconds?
Yep. Well, wait till she squirts it in there, and then you can flip it over, right? And then you guys just watch it. 30 seconds.
Now we go.
Flip it over. What's
Mine
happening?
is bubbling up. Yours is staying there. Yeah. Like.
So the yeast is reacting to the hydrogen peroxide.
No, it would. And it's probably gonna go out of the tube.
I don't know.
And the bubbles keep on getting bigger with mine.
Mm-hmm.
Mine's just down there like the yellow.
It's breaking down the hydrogen peroxide into bubbles.
And yours is just down there waiting for something.
I'm just waiting. Is yours being patient and it seems like the opposite things of you two. You're the crazy, you can't stop moving bubbly.
Me?
And you're kind of patient.
Well, then we got the wrong ones. Okay. Now.
All right, flip it over to the next thing. Baking soda has no effect on hydrogen peroxide. On the other hand, the catalyst in yeast quickly breaks down the hydrogen peroxide, forming lots of gas bubbles. Briefly vortex the test tube with yeast to knock down the bubbles. Return it to the test tube rack.
What does that mean? Put more yeast in it?
No, just we're gonna put it in there and put it on the little vortexer. Get your yeast thing out and leave the other one there.
Why?
Because we're gonna pour that into. Okay, just to knock down the bubbles, just for a minute. Not very long.
I think it's actually making the bubbles come up.
All right, that's probably good. So come over here, and it says pour the liquid from the tube with baking soda into the tube with yeast. So put the yeast back down there. Pour it in.
Can I pour it in? Can I do it, Emma?
You did the vortexing.
That's true. I don't want her spilling it.
Spoiling it?
Spilling.
Okay, now we gotta observe what happens. What's going on here?
It's bubbling up again.
It's bubbling up again. Well, why is it bubbling up
And
again?
it's pushing these bubbles back up.
Yeah?
And now this one down here is calm, but the rest is going up.
Can you explain what happened?
No.
I think I can.
I can.
You can?
This when you put it in there, it just like makes it bubble back up.
Yeah?
Well, this had hydrogen peroxide, and when you put hydrogen peroxide with yeast, it bubbles back up. And this is the second this had it, and when we poured it in here, that hydrogen peroxide made it bubble back up again.